For now more than a decade, we have been helping many of the leading enterprises and internet big names to be successful with their open source databases. One thing which has been happening in the industry and continues to happen is absolute explosion of the data. And that means what there is a lot of concerns about being able to handle this data with a good performance and a great efficiency. And that is, I think, where Pliops innovations are absolutely fantastic. Now, over the last decade or so, we have seen the transition from their spinning hard drives to their flash and other types of solid state storage, right? And that was a transition which provided huge performance gains, right? But a lot of that has since the level off because we still have been treating those storage devices as dumb block devices, which is not really very helpful for database workloads. And I think this is a great innovation which Pliops brings there. Instead of flash storage being dumb, it is actually smart and is able to take some of the database processing needs on its own with providing their key value interface, which database can use instead of dumb block storage interface. If you think what concerns one may have with the database, specifically on the flash storage, I see that goes into their three different buckets. One is, of course, performance. Response time, that is always what database users are concerned about. The second is space utilization, because flash tends to be expensive. And a third, which is specific to flash, is their write endurance, right, or write amplification, because the more writes flash is able to handle, the more expensive it's going to be. And what is unique for a Pliops storage processor is what it is able to help with all of those three components. It's, according to our benchmarks, it provides substantially better performance with increased throughput and lower latency. It provides a better compression than native MySQL solutions, reducing the storage requirements, as well as it reduces the write amplification. That means the same storage will last longer, or you can put heavy write workloads for on the same storage without reducing its lifetime.